The top 5 best smartwatches in 2025 offer the perfect mix of style, technology, and convenience. These smartwatches come with powerful features like health tracking, long battery life, and smart notifications to keep you connected. Whether you need a watch for fitness, work, or everyday use, there's an option for everyone. In 2025, smartwatches are smarter than ever, making life easier with voice assistants, GPS, and even phone-free calling. Let's take a look at the best choices this year. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Apple Watch Series 10. If you want the ultimate smartwatch experience, the Apple Watch Series 10 is the perfect pick. This beauty comes with a jet black aluminum case and a black sport band, making it both stylish and durable. The always-on Retina display keeps everything visible at a glance, while the ECG app and advanced health tracking ensure you stay on top of your fitness goals. Whether you're swimming, running, or just going about your day, this watch is built to perform. Plus, with water resistance, you never have to worry about a little splash. Number 4. Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, GPS 40mm. Looking for a more affordable Apple Watch without compromising on features? The Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, is the answer. It's sleek, lightweight, and packed with smart features like fitness and sleep tracking, crash detection, and a heart rate monitor. The Starlight aluminum case with a Starlight Sport band adds a touch of elegance to your wrist. It's the perfect companion for staying active, connected, and stylish, all in one. Number 3. Smartwatch, answer/make call. Need a smartwatch that lets you answer and make calls effortlessly? This 2025 new smartwatch is a game-changer. Featuring a 1.96-inch HD display and 110+ sport modes, it's designed for fitness lovers and everyday users alike. The heart rate and sleep monitor helps you track your health, while the IP68 waterproof rating ensures durability no matter where you go. Compatible with Android and iOS, this watch is all about convenience and style. Number 2. Apple Watch Series 5, GPS Plus Cellular, 44mm. Even after several years, the Apple Watch Series 5 remains a top choice for smartwatch lovers. This model, with its space gray aluminum case and black sport band, delivers an elegant yet sporty look. It features fitness tracking, an ECG app, and cellular connectivity, so you can stay connected even when your phone isn't nearby. Whether you're tracking your workouts or managing notifications, this watch keeps up with your lifestyle effortlessly. Number 1. Smartwatch, 1.91-inch for men and women. Looking for an all-in-one smartwatch that won't break the bank? This 1.91-inch smartwatch is the perfect pick. It comes with Bluetooth calling, 120+ sport modes, and IP68 waterproofing, making it ideal for both men and women. You'll also love its heart rate, SpO2, and sleep monitoring features, helping you stay on top of your health. Whether you're hitting the gym or heading to work, this smartwatch ensures you're always connected and in control. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.